Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Thinking about deleting your Gmail or Google account? It's a big decision, and you really need to understand what comes with it. When you delete your Google account, you're deleting access to everything connected to it. That includes your Gmail inbox, your files in Google Drive, your photos in Google Photos, your YouTube history, and subscriptions on YouTube, your events in Google Calendar, and even your purchases on Google Play. Everything gone. So before you continue, make sure you back up everything you want to keep. Take your time here. This step is very important. Now, if you're absolutely sure you want to proceed, let's go step by step. First, make sure you are logged into your Gmail or Google account. Then, go to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, click on Manage your Google account. This will take you to your account dashboard. Next, look for the Data and Privacy section and click on it. Now, slowly scroll down until you find the option that says Delete your Google account. Click on it. At this point, you'll be asked to confirm your password. Go ahead and enter your password to continue. Now, Google will show you a full summary of everything that will be deleted. Take a moment, read through it carefully. You'll also see an option to download your data. This is highly recommended if you have important files. After that, you'll be asked to confirm your identity and acknowledge the consequences. Tick the checkboxes provided to confirm that you understand what will happen. Once that is done, you'll see the final option to delete your account. Go ahead and click on Delete Account. And just like that, your account will be scheduled for deletion. There is usually a short grace period, but after that, it's permanently gone. So make sure you're completely certain before taking this step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple and practical tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.